What is the value of the expression 8 minus 2 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, start with 8 minus 2 and write this expression as 6 times 2 cubed plus 2 divided by 2. Then they move on to 2 to the power of 3, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace this expression with 6 times 8 plus 2 divided by 2. In the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 6 and 8 and replace this expression with 48 plus 2 divided by 2. Then they add 48 and 2 and write this expression as 50 divided by 2, which finally equals 25. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we start with 2 cubed, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 8 minus 2 times 8 plus 2 divided by 2. In the next step, we need to go for multiplication and division, since they have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. Okay, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. And all we need to do here is move from left to right through the expression, performing the multiplication and division as we go. So, first we start with 2 times 8 and write this expression as 8 minus 16 plus 2 divided by 2. In the next step, we move on to the division between 2 and 2 and replace this expression with 8 minus 16 plus 1. Once again, we should remember that addition and subtraction also have the same level of priority. And the best thing to do here is to move from left to right through the expression and perform them in order. So, first we do the subtraction between 8 and 16, which simplifies the expression to negative 8 plus 1. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 7. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.